Good morning to all. I am Maasha Tenil. Today we are going to see about the VMC video about um, the specific smart lock company. In their key partners, hardware suppliers for locks, and then electronic components, a IoT platform integration with the Apple network with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, and then the media app stores, Google Play and other app stores for Apple and app distributions. Distribution overall for the company is very useful for the modern and futuristic lock and equipment. It is um, product development, innovation, smart lock with the integration of the design, developing way new future for the products like mobile apps, example grocery apps, and then other real-time applications. Integration, partnering with the smart home ecosystem for seamless connectivity, making and branding, promoting the product as the motor source and the convenient solution, showcasing product service through the influencer champions, customer support, providing 24 by 7 technical and online resources, data security. Security of the data will be stored in very compatible way using the uh, many.
I'm Logesh. My topic is a value proposition, secure access, advanced encryption, and real-time validating for peace of mind. Convincement. Female wrecking including via smartphones or voice assistants. Integration. Exampling with leading smart home platforms. Customization. Access, temporary or scheduled access for guests. Design. Glass, modern locks to match home aesthetics. And the next topic is customer relationships. Self-service. Mobile apps, detailed guides for installed and usage. Dedicated support. Access to customer service via cloud, email or call. Community engagement active. Presence of furnitures and social media. Customer support, providing 24 by 7 technical assistance and online resources, fax or tutorial. Data security, regularly updating firmware to address cyber security and threats. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ranjit Kumar and talk about customer segment and key difference. Customer segments. Homeowners, individual upgrading to smart home technology. Property managers, for managing multi-user access in retail properties. Small business, office looking for advanced security solution. Technology, early support of IoT and smart home properties. And e-residence, patent technology for smart lock, designing and futures. Mobile apps perform for managing smart lock functionals. Cloud infrastructure for data storage and remote access. Brand reputation, trusted name in smart home industries. Technology, performing for storage and remote control access.
Cost structure, R&D, investment in developing innovative smart lock hardware and secure software additions. Manufacturing, cost for producing a high quality smart lock and ensuring quality standards. Marketing, express for branding, advertising and promotional campaign to affect attract the peoples. Cloud service, costs associated with manufacturing service and ensuring seamless app device accommodative. Revenue streams, product sales, aiming for selling smart lock and related accessories directed to customers or to retailers. Subscription service, ensuring revenue from premium features like video recording, cloud storage, and advanced app functionalities. Installation service, addition income from offering personal installation of the smart locks. Partnerships, revenue from licensing, integration with third-party platforms like smart home ecosystem or security systems.
Channels, retail stores, home depot, etc. Online platforms, Amazon's like few e-commerce websites, mobile apps for product functionality and upcoming updates, trade shows, CAS for upcoming innovations, cost structure, R&D for software and hardware innovations, manufacturing and quality controls, marketing, competitors and companies, cloud services for the app, connectivity and integrity, customer support infrastructure, revenue streams, product sales, smart sales for innovations and developments, installation setup, additional revenue from professional setup, partnerships, licensing fees for integrity from third-party websites. This BMC is designed for smart. This BMC is designed for August homes, but it can be specific for any smart lock company with similar goal.